Just a few hours ago, the market was aggressively declining and everyone was predicting a bear market. But before you know it, the market is back up and stronger than ever. So let us take advantage of it. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Just yesterday, an ordinary user like you and me cashed out a total of $43,000 on this site. So what are we waiting for? It takes an average of 17 minutes for a user to cash out for the first time. And it basically means you can withdraw your money in 17 minutes, and the average amount of money gained by a user yesterday was around $13, which is really considerable considering how simple the whole procedure will be. There has been over $6 million in incentives handed out on this platform so far, so there is a lot of money up for grabs. By the way, this is at freecash.com, which will be one of the most important venues for our online money-making initiative today. So what makes it so special? After all, there are numerous sites that promise to assist you in making money online. So here's what sets Freecash apart from the competition. Cash outs begin at 1 penny and go up from there. Keep in mind that by completing offers on Freecash, you can earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes, which means you can earn in 5 to 10 minutes from now. There will be immediate cash outs as well as some of the largest payouts on the market. The jobs will be checked as well, so you can rest assured that you will receive your prizes. You are not squandering your time by coming here. So the question is, how much money can you make with Freecash? On this platform, it is simple to earn more than $100 each month. But some individuals have reported earning $1,000 or more every month. This month's most active user on the platform earned an extra $1,000. It is closer to a grand total of $1,000. You can calculate that 1,000 points on this platform will equal $1. Furthermore, they have credited an additional 250,000 points, equivalent to an additional $250, simply for being active. Freecash will compensate you for your time. Another person who generated over $1,100 is in second place. Then here is another who earned over $1,000 and so on. A daily reward pool of $500 will be distributed to the most engaged users. This person made over $120 yesterday, and on top of that, they got a $50 discount. It is never too late to enter the competition. This will take place on a daily basis, and just have a glance at the website's main area right now. People are making money right now. But more importantly, how do we make money? What exactly are we supposed to do? First and foremost, the highest paid offers will be the featured ones, and there will only be a few of them. Right now, this is the most important task on the website. It will pay you $70, and this is what you must do. Install the eToro app on your smartphone, create a free account, and wait for it to be accepted. And all you have to do now is fill out some additional information and make a deposit of at least $50, conduct a few trades to avoid chargebacks, and you are ready to go. As a result, it is a 4-step procedure. It will compensate you with $70. You could argue that in order to receive the money, you must first make an investment. But this is not the case, because you can deposit $50 on eToro, make a few trades, withdraw your money from eToro, and get your $50 back. Plus, you will gain $70 from Freecash. As a result, instead of $50, you wind up with $120. But don't worry if you are still hesitant and don't want to invest even a single dime. There will be thousands of offers that you can look at for free. Different marketers such as OfferToro, AdGem, and AdGate Media provide these. These are all quite famous advertisements, and here's what you need to do if you take a closer look. Simply opening and utilizing the app, you will receive 1,000 coins, roughly equivalent to $1, and this is crypto.com. This is not some sketchy platform you have never heard of before. Here's another trick. If you use this offer instead of the advertised one to register your eToro account, you will get a lot more money. You will get around $100 for simply opening an account, but you will have to deposit 50 euros instead of $50. So it'll cost you a little more. Take a pick, gentlemen. Simply by going the extra mile and investing $50, you will receive a bonus of $100, resulting in 100,000 coins. If you don't want to invest anything and just want to use the app for free, it'll cost you 50 coins, which is not much. And here is the thing. When it's time to cash out, you can choose from any of the options on this list, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. You can deposit money into your PayPal account, withdraw gift cards, and get skins for CSGO, Roblox, League of Legends, and Valorant, all without leaving this website. I know you are eager to make as much money as possible and don't want to waste your time. So here is another platform you may use. This can be found at idle-empire.com and allows you to complete surveys in the same way that the other one did. You can complete offer walls, browse created offers, and watch infinite movies, which is a terrific feature because you will never run out of options. There are also a variety of categories to choose from, such as gaming, laughs, movies, buzz, and music. Whatever your interests are, you can simply filter the results and only watch content that you actually enjoy, avoiding the annoying spammy ads that everyone despises. You can watch content that you actually enjoy, making the process a lot more enjoyable. But if you ever get bored, go to the surveys and fill out daily questionnaires to get money. That will take no more than 15 minutes of your time, and some of these will take even less. As we speak, people are earning money here, and these are users from all around the world. If you're ready to cash out, simply go to the withdrawal area where you'll find a variety of cryptocurrencies. So instead of Bitcoin, consider Ethereum, Litecoin, or even Stellar. All you have to do now is go here to view all of the alternatives, select crypto from the drop-down menu, then submit your search. Again, you have complete power over this situation, so I will leave the decision to withdraw fully up to you. You can start with these simple offers if that is all you want to accomplish. However, if you are serious about making money online and want to see some genuine returns, you will need to put in some effort and research. So that is it for today, everyone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.